Welcome to the final part of our tutorial series on using the Frank Egcobox software. Again, we shall take our dimensioning of the corner balcony from the video part 4 as the basis. In this tutorial, we won't focus on the calculation. We will look at the possible outputs. For this, let us look at the commands in the Calculation tab. Now, as advanced user, you know the command Calculate Position. Next to that is the command Calculate Complete Project. Here all the balcony positions set in the project are calculated again. Be aware, this means that old versions of the balcony are overwritten, so manually selected Egcobox elements are also reset. The results view can also be found in the Commands toolbar. The Egcobox positioning is currently being viewed. A drop-down can be used to select other results. Firstly, let's select Deflections. Here we can see the FEM grid and the maximum determined deflection. However, the deflection concerns the deformation resulting from the applied stiffness values, as set for the Egcobox support for the calculation. This is not the actual deflection from the selected Egcobox elements and the associated recommendation camber. We can find the recommended camber per Egcobox in the detailed description under the tab Camber. Also, we find in the drop-down the option for a closer view of the moment and transverse forces in different load combinations. For this, we can also have support reactions displayed by setting a tick here. Under the command Generate Report, there are several options. Here you can output both a comprehensive report or just a short report per position, or for the whole project. The output has a cover sheet as standard. If the cover sheet is not wanted, remove the related tick. The printout itself is omitted at this point. We continue to the next command, Order List. This involves the listing of all calculated balconies in the project with a bill of quantities of the Egcobox elements. If a balcony is not wanted within the bill of quantities, it can be removed. For this, we switch to the Project tab. Within the balcony position, in the Detail view, a tick Include in Order List is active. If this tick is cancelled, the balcony and the Egcobox elements needed for the balcony no longer appear in the order list. Especially in extensive projects and a large number of equal balconies, the order list greatly simplifies the quantity determination. But let us change back to the Calculation tab. We can output the order list both as a PDF and as an editable Excel table. This option can be selected in the Storage Location menu. Our calculation results can also be exported as a DXF file to enable further editing or for use within installation plans in drawing software. Let us now see what the output looks like. For this, we have pre-installed a DWG viewer. In the output file, the balcony and the Egcobox are detailed so that we can view the reinforcement layout of the Egcobox three-dimensionally. This enables us to check whether, for example, tensile bars cross in one plane, and perhaps a greater concrete cover must be used. We can also check whether the tensile bars of the Egcobox will in fact fit the geometry of the balcony or the ceiling. Finally, we can see that the software with its free input has more calculation possibilities, including for unconventional balconies. We hope we have provided you with some useful tips for improved use of Egcobox software. Our technical support is, of course, happy to help if you have questions.